How to delete all reposts on TikTok at once. So if you want to delete all of your reposts on TikTok at once, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your TikTok application. Once you open up your TikTok, now if you go with your profile, then you won't have an option to remove your repost all individually. But in order to delete all of your reposts at once, you need to go with the top right, which has that 3-bar icon, and then tap on settings and privacy. And after that, scroll down, tap on report a problem. Now you need to go with videos and sounds. Under videos and sounds, you may have repost option, but if you don't find the repost option, you can simply go with any option that you're comfortable with, or tap on chat with us, which is on the bottom, and it will take you to the TikTok help desk, or you may also have report a problem page. Once you're there, you just need to simply write that I want to delete all of your reposts on TikTok at once, so please help me with this issue. And after writing that, you can either send the report, or if it takes you to the TikTok help desk, you can just ask some questions and TikTok help desk will answer you or guide you on how you can delete all of your reposts on TikTok at once. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.